Today, we're gonna see if we can do the impossible. We're gonna try to smoke ribs in under 2 hours. And hopefully our ribs turn out to be like this instead of like this.
I like to lay down some plastic wrap whenever I'm working with meat to speed up the cleanup process. Pat down the ribs to get rid of the extra liquid. I keep the seasoning simple with mustard as a binder. And don't really worry about the amount of mustard. It won't make your ribs taste like a hot dog. For this cook, I use steak seasoning from Costco and paprika. Make sure you season them generously as this is a pretty big cut of meat, and make sure you get both sides. I do most of my cooking on the char griller Acorn. It's basically like a poor man's version of the Kamado, which is the egg style grills you usually see. I've had this one for pretty close to 3 years now, and it still works great, and I only got it for around 300 bucks. And since we're in a time crunch, I'll use a small amount of hickory wood for a slight smoky flavor. We're gonna be grilling at around 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And since it's a slightly smaller grill, I've had to cut some of the pieces in half just to make it fit. The ribs are starting to look great, and we're getting close to party time, so let's put some barbecue sauce on them and wrap them up in foil. And whenever I cook for a party, I usually always do two kinds of ribs. One with just the dry rub on it, and another one where I put sauce on it, just in case somebody doesn't like the barbecue. Let's finish wrapping them up in foil and put them back on the grill, so the ribs get to know the barbecue sauce just a little closer. And finally, let's see the end results.
Were these the best ribs I ever had? No, I've definitely made better before, but we proved that in under 2 hours you can get a slight smoke ring and enjoy some very delicious ribs.